So what exactly is pneumatic compression devices?
Well, hi, Katie.
Hi.
I was just talking to Melissa about pneumatic compression devices. Do you have a minute?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Can you tell her about your patient?
Sure. Actually, my patient had hip replacement surgery, and they ordered a pneumatic compression device, a PCD, for his legs.
Oh, well, can you tell us how it's used?
Sure. The PCD will enhance blood flow and venous return in his legs and promote fibrinolysis in order to prevent venous thrombosis. Did I get that right?
Yes, you did. You most certainly did. Now, the sleeve may cover the entire leg or may extend from the foot to the knee. PCDs may be used in combination with anti-embolism stockings and anticoagulant therapy to prevent thrombosis formation. Now tell me, what should we assess before we put them on?
Well, we assess skin integrity to identify any existing leg conditions that might be made worse by use of the compression device or that might contraindicate use of the compression sleeves. And I already checked and we're fine to put them on.
You just like using the word contraindicate.
I do.
Okay, do we have the appropriate equipment here?
Okay. You need compression sleeves of the appropriate size, an inflation pump, and connection tubing.
Good. So let's head over and we'll speak to the patient and explain the procedure since there's nothing to contraindicate using the sleeves.
You like contraindicate too?
Well, I think it's a nice word.
I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Hi, Mr. Reynolds. This is my instructor, Ms. Scott. And I've got those special stockings I told you about.
Hello, Mr. Reynolds.
Hello.
Oh, new flowers?
Yeah, from the office.
Oh. Katie, why don't you hang the inflation pump there at the end of the patient's bed and give me the plug so I can put an electrical outlet. And what I'm going to do now is raise the bed to a more comfortable working height. Very good. And now you can tell me, what do we do with compression sleeves?
Well, we remove the compression sleeves from the packaging.
Yes.
Unfold them, place them on the bed with the inner liner facing up.
Good. Place the sleeve under the patient's leg with the tubing towards its heel. Okay, each one is for either leg. That's perfectly all right. Now, what is the difference between total leg sleeves and knee-high?
Knee-high is more sexy. I want to feel young.
If you say so, Mr. Reynolds. Well, actually, for total leg sleeves, you place the behind-the-knee opening at the popliteal space here to prevent pressure there. For knee-high sleeves, the end of the sleeve is above the back of the ankle.
Wrap the sleeve snugly around the patient's leg. Good. 2 fingers should fit between the leg and the sleeve. They have Velcro fasteners. And just repeat for the second leg if bilateral therapy is ordered. Okay, Katie, now?
Now I'm going to connect each sleeve to the tubing for the pump.
Good. Just be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendation for connecting. Good. Excellent.
So then I set the pump to the prescribed maximum pressure.
And what is the usual maximum pressure setting?
35 to 55 millimeters mercury. We make sure the tubing is free from kinks and that the patient can turn about without interrupting the airflow. So now I turn on the pump?
Please.
Okay.
What do we do for the first cycle?
We observe the patient and the devices, check the audible alarms, and check the sleeves and pump at least once per shift.
What do we do when the sleeve is removed?
Well, when we remove the sleeves, we assess and document skin integrity every 8 hours.
Very good.
Oh, also, we assess the extremities for peripheral pulses, edema, movement, and changes in sensation.
Good, good. Okay, let's set the bed in the lowest position with the side rails up. And always be sure that the call bell is within reach and all other necessary things the patient needs, okay?
Right.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Let's make sure that we document the time and date of application of the PCD, the patient's response to the therapy, and his understanding of the therapy. Also document the status of the alarms and cooling settings.